Hello friends, today again Jessica from Alicante Real Estate. I'm standing here in an amazing apartment on the 5th floor. Behind me you see the communal area and the communal pool. It's 1 kilometer from the beach. We are in Arenales del Sol. It's a very nice area next to Alicante city and to the airport. If you follow me, I'm going to show you now the apartment from upstairs. So now we're upstairs at the balcony of this apartment. As you see, we have an amazing view over Arenales del Sol, which is part of Alicante. Like I told you before, we're very near to the beach and we're only 10 minutes to the airport. We go inside to the apartment where you can find 2 bedrooms, one bathroom, and like you see here, a very lightful dining and living area with a semi-closed kitchen, American kitchen cold, completely equipped with everything you need. You have also on the back for your washing machine a separate area for your laundry and washing. As you see, a long, big kitchen. And if you follow me, I'm going to show you the bedrooms. We have 2 bedrooms. We have a main bedroom here with a direct access to the balcony. And a second bedroom, as you see here, all bedrooms with beautiful open views. And here you can make a guest room or just as a second office room, whatever you need. And you have a lovely bathroom. So now we come off to the end from the video. This apartment has 90 square meter living area with the 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen, living and dining area. And I'm standing on the balcony where you have another approximately 12 to 15 square meter. We have a garage, we have a storage room, and we have a lovely big communal pool. And as you see, these amazing views, very near to all the facilities. If you're interested in this lovely apartment on the 5th floor, it's 250,000 euros. Please contact us down here. It'd be a pleasure to give you more information. See you soon on our next videos. Bye-bye.